Welcome, fellow science enthusiasts, to the exhilarating world of physics, where we explore the timeless principles that govern our universe. Let's kick things off with our classical physics. Picture this, an apple falling from a tree or a rocket launching into space. As for modern physics, it is a revolutionary era. Einstein, Bohr, and others took the stage, introducing a mind-bending concepts that challenge our understanding of reality. So, whether you're captivated by the elegance of classical physics or intrigued by the mind-bending concepts of modern physics, this is just the beginning. And so, to explore more about the math, science, and technology, let me hand you over to Engine Cadet Acebo.
Have you ever wondered how we come to know the size, value, or measurements of everything around us? Say for example, how tall this building is. Quantifying our world is a fascinating journey. I'm Engine Cadet Acebo, and let's explore measurements and conversions. Now, let's talk about land, the measure of distance from one end to another. In measuring, we can use different measuring tools such as this measuring tape. An example of length is the height of this soccer goal. Imagine we need to convert this from feet to meters. It's just like switching from speaking one language to another. Apart from land, there are other important measurements such as mass, time, temperature, energy, and many more. Measurements and conversions are silent architects of our daily lives. They define spaces, ensure safety, and manage time effectively. They are the key to efficiency and precision in our world. Let's appreciate and apply these fundamental tools, unlocking possibilities in our everyday experiences.
Have you ever questioned yourself why a thrown ball creates a parabolic path? Well, it can be explained by kinematics. As the ball is thrown, it has two independent and perpendicular components of motion acting on it. Horizontal, or x-axis, and vertical, or y-axis. With the knowledge regarding kinematics, we can explain the different things happening around us, such as the parabolic path of an object, the design and analysis of machines, and even vehicle motions, which is important for us marine engineers.
So, Newton's law. The key concept of Newton's law is motion, force, and acceleration. So, let's explore about the key concept of Newton's law. Motion. It is something like an object goes from one place to another or change its position. For example, that student is walking. So, it is changing its position from one place to another. Next is force. Force is when any action, such as dropping, pushing, and dragging, makes an object move and change its shape. For example, that student pick up its bag and put it on a chair. So lastly is acceleration. Acceleration is when something or someone speed up or when it slow down. So these are the three key concepts of Newton's law.
And so, we are going to discuss about what work in physics. So, what is work? When we say work, it is the existence of both force and displacement. So that is work. And in work, we exert power, which is the ability to do work. And the power that we exert is caused by the energy. The energy came from the food that I ate earlier. And so, we can conclude that the more energy that I have, the more power that I can exert, the more work that will be done on the object. And that's how work, power, and energy works.
And so, these are all the importance of math, science, and technology. I am Engine Cadet Mier.
I'm Engine Cadet Acebo,
I'm Engine Cadet Ganar.
I'm Engine Cadet Pradilla.
and I'm Engine Cadet Baguio.
Thank you for watching.
Una, understanding how objects of how design and analysis
From one, and I'm Engine